Dodging and burning is the term that exists from the traditional photography. Now, the basic idea behind dodging and burning is manipulating the level of the exposure to clean the skin as well as contour the object to give it more 3D perspective. Possibly you have heard about the dodge and burn. The idea behind dodging and burning isn't complicated, and it's widely used in these days photography. However, in retouching we are bringing dodging and burning into another level. That was the main reason why this course was made. Let's go. Select actions. Select dodge and burn. Click play. A new menu will pop up. These are the settings for dodge and burn brush. Mode, normal. Opacity, 100%. Flow, 3%. Smoothing, 10%. Click. Continue. Select dodge and burn brush. If the mask is black, we will paint with white brush. The burn is for darken the shadows. The dodge is brightening the highlights. The dodge and burn is used to enhance the highlights and to darken the shadows. So, we basically paint with burn over the areas that we want to create shadows. Creating shadows means that you put more dimension in the image.
Look at the sky.
I put some extra shadows now just for you to see the differences. Let's take a look at before and after. As you can see, dodge and burn is not a destructive process. It does not affect the skin. But doing too much can affect the look of the photo. Exercise is the key. Use my action and practice.